Hi, this is Sam Green from the Rapid Prototyping Business Unit at Stratasys. Today I'd like to give you a few updates, show you some interesting models that we've printed for you on our flagship full-color multi-material 3D printing system, the Stratasys J750. So first up here is a very nice ball valve tap assembly that I've printed for us in the Digital ABS Plus material. This is an advanced functional polyjet material featuring enhanced toughness, very smooth surfaces, comes in two colors, ivory color, and if you look inside here you can see the actual green color, and as we turn this tap you can see the actual ball valve within this tap system works very nicely, very smooth, very well fitting parts. You can see I've added some clips here to give it to hold this assembly into place, and if we just take that apart you can see inside again the seals and the gaskets. We've put some instructions on the part to help people identify where the different parts of the tap need to go and in which direction you want to be turning the tap. So a very nice functional prototype here in the Digital ABS Plus material. Interesting to note here is again on the Stratasys J750 printing material such as the Digital ABS Plus, you print actually in high speed mode, which is actually at double the speed of previous Connex systems. So very high rate of productivity when you're producing engineering parts such as this tap. So that's one. Let's leave that off to one side for a second. Another new material that we have that is also now released on the Stratasys J750 is the Agilus material. So here we have a earphone case that we've printed, and you can see this insert inside is created in the Agilus 30 black material. The Agilus 30 is a material family that includes the black color and also a very nice translucent color, an example of some sponge here. So these materials feature enhanced elongation at break compared to previous rubber-like materials in the Stratasys offering. And when you print this material on the J750, you really have an incredible range of versatile prototypes that you can create on the Stratasys J750. This one is created with a very nice carbon fiber texture lid. You can see here the detail of that. Very nice texture. Some other examples I've created for us. This very nice wood grain texture. It really does look exactly like wood. Very nice fine detail, shiny surface finish. Very, very compatible with prototyping consumer goods devices, consumer electronics, automotive interiors. Some other examples here. This one a full color, very nice texture. And one more example here, a very nice stunning blue type marble texture. So again, very suitable for a range of consumer goods, consumer electronics devices. So that's something about the Stratasys J750 combining the color and the new Agilus material. And then thirdly up, we have a new material called the VeroFlex, which is specifically created for the eyewear design and manufacturing market. These frames were created in the VeroFlex material. It's a range of 6 materials in all of the colors that you need in order to create full color multi-material frames such as this one. You can see here, if you look a bit closely, you can see this is actually a transparent material containing floating opaque color elements. So very nice frames here, as you can see. Another strong aspect of this material is not only that you can simulate complex designs in very short rapid time, but also that you can functionally test these frames so that the eyewear lenses can be popped into place very nicely and easily without these frames breaking or deforming. You can use these for wearability tests, drop tests, stress tests, everything you need in order to test the functional performance of these eyewear frames. Eyewear customers using this material can get their products to market more than a year faster than it would normally take them to prototype eyewear frames. So very strong advantage there for eyewear customers. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.